Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 9th for the subject of history, chapter 3, Jainism and Buddhism, starting on page number 29 of your textbook, titled Total History and Civics, ICSE 9, and is being submitted to you on 3rd May 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. Students, in this chapter, we will study about two religious movements, Jainism and Buddhism. Before we discuss about these religions, let us study about the sources to reconstruct two great religious movements. The Jatak tales, written in Pali, deal with previous birth of Lord Buddha. The Tripitakas were also written in Pali. These are three books. Sutta Pitak, which contains the Buddhist teachings and sayings of Buddha. Abhidhamma Pitak presents a philosophical interpretation of the doctrines contained in Sutta Pitak. Vinay Pitak contains rules for the guidance of the Buddhist monks and nuns. A Jain council collected and compiled the teachings of Mahavir and Jain religious literature into 12 angas. These angas contain the rules for the Jain monks and the teachings of Jain Tirthankar. Now, let us study the factors that favored the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Number 1, ritualistic Vedic religion. The simple religion of the early Aryans was replaced by meaningless rituals and complicated ceremonies. These were too costly for ordinary people to perform. Number 2, killing of animals to perform sacrifices. A large number of animals had to be killed for the ceremonial sacrifices and yajnas. A new agricultural economy based on iron plows needed all the more animals to plow the peasants' fields. This was resented by the people. Corruption in religion. As the priests dominated religion and the Kshatriya rulers protested against it, people too turned against these priests who made their religion complicated, expensive, and burdensome. The caste system. In the course of time, the caste became rigid. Caste was decided according to the birth of a person. People belonging to lower caste were ill-treated. Difficult Vedic language. The Vedic literature had been written in Sanskrit, which was beyond the understanding of the common people. Political situation. Some rulers were liberal and tolerant. They condemned some social evils. This ultimately lent support to the two religious movements. Let us take a short break. You are requested to kindly pause your audio for 3 to 4 minutes. After listening to the questions carefully, and write the answers in your notebooks. Number 1. In which language are Jatakas and Tripitakas written? Number 2. Why were the people against animal sacrifices? Number 3. How did the caste system work as a factor for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism? Answer number 1, Pali. Answer number 2, they needed animals to plow their fields. Answer number 3, caste system became rigid and based on birth. The lower caste were ill-treated. It is Mahavir who is considered to be the founder of Jainism. Students, please give a reading to the early life of Mahavir given on page number 32 of your textbook. We will study here the doctrines of Jainism. Number 1, 5 vows. Mahavir laid great emphasis on the principle of ahimsa. Besides it, Jains were required to take vows of not telling a lie, not to steal, non-attachment to worldly things, and celibacy. Number 2, no belief in God. Mahavir did not believe in the existence of God. Number 3, nirvana or salvation. Mahavir accepted the current theories of karma and rebirth. The main aim of one's life is to attain salvation, the liberation from the cycle of birth and rebirth is by following the three ratnas: right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. Rejection of Vedic rituals. The Jains did not attach any importance to the meaningless rituals. Number 5, equality. Mahavir believed in equality of all human beings. Number 6, belief in penance. The Jains were directed to live strict lives. To starve oneself to death was regarded as a great virtue. The simple doctrines of Mahavir attracted many followers. He used the common language of the masses. The religion also received royal patronage, but later the religion declined and got split into two, Digambaras and Shwetambaras. Let us again take a short break. Kindly pause your audio for 3 to 4 minutes and answer the following questions in your notebooks. Number 1, who was the founder of Jainism? Number 2, what are three ratnas? Number 3, did Jainism supported caste system? Answers. Number 1, Mahavir. Number 2, right faith, right knowledge, right conduct to attain nirvana. Number 3, no. Students, please give a reading to page number 35 and 36 for the life of Gautam Buddha. We will discuss here the teachings of Lord Buddha. Number 1, the foundation of Buddha's doctrines was based on 4 noble truths. The world is full of sorrow and suffering. The main cause of suffering is desire. Suffering can be removed by getting rid of desires. This can be done by following the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path believed in following a middle course, avoiding extremes. That is, neither indulging in extreme attachment to worldly pleasures, nor practicing severe self-mortification. Buddha believed in karma theory. Everyone has to bear the consequences of his own actions. Man's ultimate aim in life is to attain nirvana. Buddha was silent on the existence of God. Buddha was against anyone causing harm to any living being. Buddha vehemently opposed the caste system and laid emphasis on moral character. Buddhism split into Mahayana and Hinayan. Students, please read the chapter again. Home assignment. Short questions 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 13, 16, 17, and 18. Structured questions 2B, 3ABC, 4ABC, 6BC. With this, we end this interactive audio session. Thank you.